Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to tell you a little bit about something I purchased for my fish. I do have pond fish outside. They are goldfish, but this is Tetra pond sticks, healthy nutrition for goldfish and koi. I do have some goldfish in the pond. I think there's probably about 12 of them altogether. So this is food for all sizes of pond fish. They're soft sticks. They're easy to eat and digest. The new formula is for better water quality. Doesn't cloud the water or anything. These are 3.53 ounces. It's a unique recipe. High quality of ingredients and beautiful results in the pond have made Tetra pond sticks the world's most popular fish food. So if you do have fish or a pond, you've probably seen these before. I've tried different food for my fish, and this is probably like the most favorite one. So it's a unique recipe. High quality of ingredients and beautiful results in the pond have made Tetra pond sticks the world's most popular fish food. Ideal daily diet for all pond fish. Highly nutritious and purpose made for easy pond fish digestion. Scientifically developed formula supports immune system. New formula with reduced phosphate for less algae growth, clear water, and improved water quality. Soft sticks advantage are designed to soften quickly because pond fish have no teeth. They're high digestibility, which is important because pond fish have no stomachs. High digestibility promotes clear water by minimizing waste. So Tetra is distributed by United Pet Group Inc. in Virginia. I think they probably have other food that they make as well, but I don't buy flakes for the outside fish. I have like an inside fish tank too, but no goldfish. So these I specifically just feed to my outside fish. So this is almost empty, but like this is what the sticks look like. You can like see how small they are in the palm of my hand. They're hard, really tiny, and super easy to digest for the fish. And they come with like, I think the bottle is recyclable. And then it just has, or at least the plastic top is, and then you could just recycle it when you're done, but really easy to store. Usually just keep it in the garage or outside. Now it's coming towards the end of summer, so I'll probably close off my pond. Oh yeah, I should mention that too. I close off my pond usually when it gets cold, like end of October, early November. Put a net on it, and then I don't feed them for the winter. They hibernate kind of, and they like feed off the algae that's natural in the pond. But when I open it, and like I open the pond in April, May, whenever it gets warm, depends in New York, you never know how the weather is going to be. When I reopen it, that's when I start feeding them. Sometimes, well, Tetra also makes like fish food for like cold water, because when you first open the pond, it's obviously going to be cold, and I'll usually feed them that. They won't be ready to really eat these pond sticks until like the water is actually on the warm side. So usually like end of May, June, when it gets warm out, then I'll start feeding this. So I would say like, I don't know, this has lasted me like a month, and I'm going to show you my fish in a second, but this has probably lasted me like for a month. Buy a couple of these every summer. So from end of May to end of September, I would say I feed this to them. So like 4 months. So yeah, now I'm going to take you outside to my fish tank. My fish pond, so you guys could see. Here we go. Here's my outside fish. You can see them. Opening up the jar, and I'm going to throw a couple handfuls in there for them. You guys can see. They love the food. Really easy for them to eat and digest. Just throwing some at them. They eat this fairly quickly. They love it. Guess it tastes good. You see how small they are. How small the food is compared to them. Very easy for them to swallow. These are all goldfish, by the way, no koi. So, there you have it, Tetra pond sticks. Healthy nutrition for goldfish and koi. Hope you guys try it out for your pond fish. I hope your fish love it. Thanks for watching.